Hey everybody, it's Michael Cologne with Travels with Michael, and I'm here for this month's unboxing video from Bespoke Post. It is December 2nd, but the package was a few days late because of the Thanksgiving holiday. So I just got it, and it's just a thin box. Actually, it's not even a box, it's a bag. But this month's, the one I got is called Moonlight. I'm sorry, it's called Layers, but I think the color they have is Moonlight, but it's supposed to be a jacket or a sweater. And I figured that's a good one because, you know, it's December and the holidays are starting and the weather's changing. So, yeah. So I'm gonna open it here in the front. Nice little logo here. It says Bespoke Post. Shouldn't be too hard to open this time because it's not really a box. So you just have to Dude, here it's like a big envelope. How funny. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm excited because it's actually got a beanie, this nice gray beanie, which you can never have too many beanies. And I do like that their packaging is always so nice. Like here's their shirt. It's a button-down shirt, but well, this would be a nice outfit to wear when I do a photo shoot or when I'm on set. When I'm traveling, because, you know, I do like to travel sometimes during the colder months because, you know, I travel during February and my birthday and it's always so cold wherever I go. Anyways, here's the beanie. Ooh, it's nice and soft. I do like the gray. Let's take my glasses off and see. Oh man, that's very comfortable. I just got one that's really, really thick, but this one's kind of nice to just wear, like, even when you're still inside and it's not too bulky. Very nice. Oh, I like that. All right, now we'll do the shirt. It says Line of Trade. I always like these little bags they put everything in. I find that they come in handy around the house too, so I do like to keep them. So this is the Moonlight color. Actually, this is very soft too. I really like it. And so Line of Trade is the name of the brand, apparently. Put that down there. I'm gonna have to get a top-down calendar so you guys can see stuff. A top-down camera, but eventually. So I do like this. I think it's really pretty. I mean, you know, it's very masculine, which I like. I don't wear a lot of stuff like this, so this will be kind of fun. I'll have to get a nice watch band that matches it. But yeah, it's very soft. So it'll look nice, and I just got a jacket from them, remember, a couple months ago that'll look nice with this too. So I have a nice little outfit for winter. So yeah, I can't wait to wear this. I do travel to the mountains occasionally during the holidays, so this will be a nice outfit to add to wear with my friends or when we're lounging by the fire or out playing in the snow. All right, well, this is nice. I'm happy with this loot this month. Can't wait to wear this hat when I go out. It's raining today, so as I run my errands, just to keep my head nice and warm. So yeah. All right, well, this is my November unboxing for Bespoke Post. All right, this is Michael with Travels with Michael, and I can't wait to see you on your next adventure.